Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up parental control on YouTube. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure you have opened your YouTube. You can open it either from your mobile phone or your computer. And as you can see, I have opened my YouTube from my computer. And we can go to our profile. We can click on this profile icon. And then we're going to scroll down until we find settings. Okay, and in the settings, we need to find a family center. If you cannot find it here, you can go to this section and then you can scroll down until you find the family center. And then we can click on manage kids profiles and features for teens. And you can see the description here, guys. Tools to connect parents, kids, and teens on YouTube. We can click on this option. And then you will have some choices here. Oh wait, it's still loading. Okay, we can add our kids account. We can add family members here. We can add a YouTube kids profile and invite a 10. And I'm just going to select invite a 10, for example. Okay, and with this feature, guys, we can we can monitor our family members and we can control it here. Okay, and then we can click on create invite. Alright, and you can share this barcode to your teen, or you can share a link instead. Okay, just copy this link and you can share it to your teen, and then they need to accept this and you will be able to monitor their activity on YouTube. Okay guys, and that's all the way to set parental control on YouTube. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.